there was a lot of effort and focus from companies to take advantage of their efficiencies of cost by going to emerging markets. So they were offshoring a lot of their procurement, particularly, or their inbound or their incoming material to emerging markets. And at the time, Asia Pacific was one of the areas that people were focusing on a lot. So there was a lot of focus on offshoring, also a lot of work in Mexico. Later on, it became Eastern Europe. And I think today we continue to drive that philosophy. So it's emerging market rather than what traditionally was called low-cost country. Because it's really not about a low-cost country, but it's what are those emerging markets, regardless of where in the world they are, that we want to penetrate. Now, flash forward into 20, call it 2015, and the last 5 years. When you're starting to look at supply chain, it's not just about the price of a component. You now need to understand the total cost of what we call ownership. So costs like inventory, costs like transportation, et cetera, become a lot more critical. And I think we all have learned, all organizations have evolved to learn that it's not always that price tag that you're looking at. It's the entire behind the scenes cost that needs to be incorporated. And that transition and that evolution has led many organizations, including Haworth, to kind of come back and say, maybe we need to reshore some things, because when you look at the total cost, maybe the lead time implications, and the demands of our customer are changing, they're driving a different behavior